3M versus Meguiar's. It's one of the oldest debates in the detailing world, but one of these can leave behind splatter that hardens like concrete, and the other often leaves a much glossier finish straight from the bottle. The better finishing product also costs 1/3 the price. So what are you paying for? We're breaking down cut, finish, user experience, and cost to reveal the real winner for you. Let's start with the primary job of a compound: pure cutting power. Which one is actually faster? Counterintuitively, many tests show Meguiar's achieves clear results in fewer passes on common defects. With 3M, this means you might be working the same panel longer. More passes equals more time on the job. However, for intense defects like 1,200 grit sanding marks, many pros still reach for 3M's aggressive cut. Cutting is only half the battle. What does the paint look like afterward? Here, the products diverge sharply. Meguiar's often finishes down to a glossy, nearly wax-ready surface. 3M frequently leaves a visible haze. So how can the cheaper option cut fast and finish better? The answer is found in the abrasive technology. Meguiar's uses diminishing abrasives. They start by cutting aggressively, then break down to polish the surface in one step. 3M is built for production body shops. Its abrasives are made for maximum cut speed on fresh, heavily sanded paint. That haze isn't a defect. It's an expected outcome in its system. A follow-up polish is always the next step. This core difference in design leads to a completely different user experience. So who are they really for? The reason is clear. Meguiar's is an all-in-one solution for enthusiasts. 3M is a specialized first step for pros. Let's consider two users: the weekend warrior in a garage and the pro technician in a high-volume body shop. For the weekend warrior, Meguiar's is the clear choice. It's forgiving and delivers great results with fewer steps. For the pro, 3M is a power tool for their workflow. It maximizes cutting speed to get cars out the door quickly. Look at the price. For the pro, it's a business expense. For the DIYer, it's the difference in buying one product or three. So the choice seems simple based on who you are. But we haven't discussed the most frustrating part: cleanup. This is where the real-world experience can fall apart. Let's talk about compound sling and spatter. Users constantly report that if 3M spatter isn't wiped off immediately, it dries like solid concrete on trim. To be fair, this isn't just a 3M issue. Meguiar's professional-grade M105 can also dry fast and be hard to remove. Then there's the physical effort. 3M's thicker formula can require more pressure, making it more fatiguing to use. With all these variables, does the brand on the bottle even matter most? Or is the biggest factor you? Pros will tell you that great results are 80% technique and 20% product. The best compound can't fix bad form. Recall our user profiles. A pro can make Meguiar's perform perfectly. A novice with 3M could burn through paint. That concrete cleanup issue? It's from its production shop design. It flashes fast so pros can move on, a liability for DIYers. So the question isn't which is better. It is which is better for my skills, my budget, and my project. For the DIYer or enthusiast, Meguiar's ultimate compound is the winner. It's a fantastic balance of power, finish, and value. For the pro in a high-volume shop, 3M Perfected remains a vital tool. Its cutting power is built for professional speed. The best compound is defined by the user and the situation. Choose the tool that fits the job, not just the name. Which compound do you use and why? Let us know in the comments. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.